This is Noah, and he's holding his own pacifier. Highly fascinated. We rearranged the room, and he's staring up at the fish. That's what he sees. The bottom of the tarpon. It looks like that. Anyways, back to Noah. He's holding his own pacifier. Finger wrapped on the hook. Other finger on his chin. He's getting really good at this. He's all ready for bed. Just staring at the fishy. So fascinating.